Alright guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to set up a test. I've already set it up in this one and then I thought of the video. What we're going to do is a test, heavy wax, extra heavy wax. This is going to be a double blind test because this one has 4 sheets in this box right here. Has 4 sheets of the extra heavy, 1 sheet of the heavy wax. This box will have 1 sheet of the extra heavy wax, 4 sheets of the heavy wax. I'm not going to give the name of the manufacturer because YouTube frowns upon that. If you're not getting, you got to turn that in or some crap like that. It can change the way your videos are algorithm. So I'm gonna just, you can message me in the comments or something, I'll tell you from that. We've got about 4 to 5 weeks of the flow left. I will be feeding these 2 colonies about 75 to 1 sugar water, because what your plants, you get variable sugar content from all your nectar sources. So I'm going to feed them less than 1 to 1. About equal strength colony, other than this one has a honey super on it. It's got a pretty good bit of honey in it. But both of them have about the same amount of cap brood. I think this one has 4 frames and this one has 3.5. But it also has the extra bees that are working the honey super, which may not contribute. But we're just going to run this for 6 weeks. We'll check it every week and see what we got going on. Don't know if I'll do a weekly update, a bi-weekly update, or just wait till it's completely done. But write my notes on top of them. Let's see, we're going to do 1X, 4H. This one's going to be a 4H, 1X. No, 4X, 1H. But anyway, we're going to give it a shot. This is a new company I've bought. Assembled frames from with plastic foundation this year. I'm not normally a plastic foundation type person, but for some reason this year I had trouble getting frames drawn out. They didn't want to draw wax. The established colonies, swarms that I caught. Of course, you know, if you've been a beekeeper for any length of time, you caught a swarm. Swarms are massive comb builders. It's overclassed, very humid. So I'm wearing a veil today because I've already got stung once or twice. Been out here about 3 hours. But that's it. We'll get you an update at the end. Like these videos, subscribe, share them, help get the word out, especially for folks looking at wanting to get plastic foundation drawn out. I'll tag my other video on how I do it personally. These are just a trial straight up out of the box. Never been touched. I personally add more wax. Like I said, I'll tag that video in the bottom. Have a great day.